Hello everyone, welcome to Traveling Bits. Today we are at NR Colony. We are going to two places called Dosa Master and South Kitchen. So these two places are famous for delicacies which we will talk about. First, we are going to Dosa Master, which is very near to the NR Colony BMTC bus terminal and Rama Temple. So we have come to Dosa Master. Nanda is feeding us, giving us dosa. Can you tell
Special varieties of dosa you get.
what and all?
One is bone dosa, butter sponge dosa, and also special masala dosa,
Okay.
and special variety of sweets also you get.
So
Badam puri.
how many times you have been there before?
I come regularly.
How is it, Katisa?
Very nice.
So, what difference you feel? You know, what Nanda said that it's very different.
What's the difference?
Crispy.
The chutney is good.
Okay.
This is chutney which is good, and this is like an amboli.
Let's now try the USP of Dosa Master, the Butter Sponge Dosa. Butter Sponge Dosa cost rupees 35, Butter Masala Dose cost rupees 50, Butter Plain Dosa cost rupees 50, Pudi Plain Dosa cost rupees 55, and Pudi Masala Dosa cost rupees 60.
The chutney is good.
All your matter is over. Continue.
And see this little bit of difference. This is the butter, right?
They do not use onion, garlic, cooking soda, or refined wheat flour, that is maida. Dosa Master is a good place for dosa.
So after special dosa, where we are going now for Idli?
For South kitchen,
South kitchen. What is it special for?
idli, vada,
Okay.
khara baath,
Khara. So we are going for
and
Idli.
coffee. Yeah. We'll go for
Okay. And filter coffee.
it. Yeah, filter coffee.
Okay, let's try it. Come on, let's go.
Cotton.
So our Idli is here.
We have taken idli and filter coffee at South Kitchen, and the idli seems to be pretty good, very fresh and very soft, and the filter coffee is as good as typically what you get in Bangalore.
It's a little bitter,
Little bitter.
more bitter. Yeah. That's why I like it.
Okay.
Awesome coffee.
Huh?
It's awesome.
Hello everyone, we have Sanjay here. And what is the name of the establishment?
First establishment is South Kitchen. Second one is Rama Dosa.
Okay. So, what is the specialty here?
So here is we don't use onion and garlic.
Okay.
That's the USP of it.
Complete sattvic.
Complete sattvic. We don't use onion and garlic. The famous over here is chutney. So chutney goes well along with all the South Indian items, whatever we provide. Idly, vada, khara baath, kesri baath, upma, semia baath, and khara fungus, and we do millets bede baath. Those are the things.
And there in South Kitchen you have.
This one is South Kitchen.
This is South Kitchen.
There in Dosa Master we provide masala dosa, butter masala, butter plain, and butter sponge.
Okay.
And all three are different actually.
So that's the dosa we got with butter and
Yeah.
a little bit of potato curry.
That is called as butter sponge dosa.
Okay.
That's a open plate dosa. You get kari dosa, palya, and butter over.
Okay. That was kind of the USP. We all loved it.
That's a special type of dosa. Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for talking
Thanks a
to
lot.
us.
Thank you,
Have a
sir.
good day.
Thank you, sir.
Let us know how did you like the video through your comments, likes and shares.
Okay, now we are in the final leg. We had at two places, South Kitchen and Dosa Master. And let's hear from the other guys in this. So Nanda, thank you so much for getting us here.
Okay.
So how was it, Shekhar, Kati sir?
It was really good. Awesome.
So we really loved. We had dosa, that is dosa sponge butter at Dosa Master, and here we had idli. The chutney was really good, and also we had filter coffee.
That's it for today. Do subscribe to our channel Traveling Bits for regular updates. Have a great day.